Argentina has elected right-wing libertarian Javier Milei as its new president on Sunday. With this election, the people of Argentina have placed their faith in an outsider with radical views to fix an economy battered by triple-digit inflation, a looming recession, and rising poverty. Official results showed Milei with nearly 56% versus just over 44% for his rival, Peronist economy minister Sergio Massa. In a speech, Massa congratulated Milei and said that the libertarian now needed to show his readiness to rule. In downtown Buenos Aires, hundreds of Milei supporters honked horns and chanted his popular refrain against the political elite. According to reports, Milei is pledging economic shock therapy. His plans include shutting the central bank, ditching the peso, and slashing spending, potentially painful reforms that resonated with voters angry at the economic malaise. Milei's challenges are enormous. He will have to deal with the empty coffers of the government and central bank, a creaking $44 billion debt program with the International Monetary Fund, inflation nearing 150%, and a dizzying array of capital controls. Some Argentines had categorized the vote as a choice of the lesser evil, fear of Milei's painful economic medicine versus anger at Massa and his Peronist party for an economic crisis that has left Argentina deeply in debt and unable to tap global credit markets. Milei has criticized China and Brazil, saying that he won't deal with communists and favors stronger US ties. He is a 53-year-old economist and former TV pundit. He is staunchly anti-abortion, favors looser gun laws, and has criticized Argentine Pope Francis. He used to even carry a chainsaw as a symbol of his planned cuts, but shelved it in recent weeks to help boost his moderate image. His rise has broken the hegemony of the two main political forces in Argentina, the Peronists and the main Together for Change conservative bloc.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.